What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be putting rear brakes on a 2017 Toyota Rav4. So let's get started. Like always, the first thing you want to do is open that brake reservoir cap, put a towel on it so the air can escape easy when you push in the caliper pistons. So tools you'll need for this, John, is you will need a 14mm ratchet for the caliper bolts, some type of piston compression tool, lube for the slides, a straight screwdriver, and like always, no job is complete without a hammer. The first thing you want to do is take the 14mm and take the caliper bolts out. This is a fairly new vehicle, but nothing should be really tight. Alright. Once you get the caliper off, use your caliper compression tool to slowly push in the caliper piston. Yeah, new vehicle is going real smooth. There we go. Lay this over to the side. Take the pads out. Okay. So the customer opted to go with the standard pad, so with those I don't get no hardware, so we're just going to leave the old hardware in there. But like always, make sure your brake pads is the curvature of your rotor. Make sure also these don't have squillers on them, so you can put them on either side. Just make sure they're right. And the next step is to take out the piston slides one at a time. Put new lubrication on. That's fine. Make sure you get a good seal. Take out the bottom. And be careful not to damage the rubber right there. Most time the bottom has this little, I don't know why, but it's got this little bottom rubber piece down there. Knock it off. Put new lubrication on it. Back in place. Grab your caliper. Put the top bolt back in. Put the bottom bolt back in. Use a 14mm. Snug up the bolts. As you can see, that was one of the simplest brake jobs I've done. So now we'll go to the driver's side and do the same thing over there. Alright, so now we're over here on the driver's side, and you do the same thing you did on the passenger side. you go. Both back brakes are done. Now I just got to put the wheel and tire on there and torque them down. So there you have it, folks. Rear brakes on a 2017 Toyota Rav4. Make sure once you get the wheels and tires put back on there and the hubcap as well, make sure you come up here and put the brake reservoir cap on there. Make sure it's full of brake fluid. Pump the brakes up a few times before you take off. That way you got brake. Only thing left to do is to take it for a test drive. If there's any problems, you'll see me back. I know this was a short video, but I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. So until next time, bye now.